Hello, I'm Vanessa Smith, and I'm a book conservator with the Smithsonian Libraries and Archives. This is a remarkable story about a fortunate discovery of a set of books that offer a glimpse into early book production. These were also adopted for preservation. This exceptional group of encyclopedias was on its way to a dumpster when it was rescued by Smithsonian Library staff and brought to the Dibner Library. This set of 63 volumes, published between 1806 and 1824, is the first American edition of Abraham Rees's classic encyclopedia. Though an incomplete set, the volumes survive as they were originally issued in printed blue paper boards, the pages uncut and unopened. To better explain why this is important, book production starts with the printer, who covers large sheets of paper with blocks of text. The size of the book determines how many printed pages could be fitted onto a sheet of paper. Once printed, the paper is folded, sewn with other folded sheets, and covered in plain blue wrappers. The volume is sold in this unfinished state. The owner would complete the next step by having a bookbinder create a custom covering for the volume. This means the blue wrapped boards are removed and replaced with a covering such as leather. It's at this point in the bindery that the folded printed paper is cut along the edges and the text can now be read on both sides of the pages. This set of encyclopedias never reached the final binding stage, and they have survived as they were originally issued to purchasers, a most unusual and rare view of a book's development. The condition upon arrival at the Book Conservation Lab showed general wear, with about a dozen of the volumes having loose or missing boards. There were areas of discoloration throughout the pages, and there were several books with broken sewing. For these few, the choice was made to disbind the pages, wash, refold, and resew in the pattern to match the originals. However, the decision was made by the librarian that rather than take the usual approach in which the goal for conservation treatment is for access of information, it was determined that the preservation of the structure would reveal important clues aiding scholarship of book production and history, and therefore the pages remain today uncut and unopened.